হাই বন্ধুরা, কেমন আছেন? আশা করি সকলেই ভালো আছেন। আপনাদের কাছে একটি ছোট্ট রিকোয়েস্ট, যিনারা আমার অ্যান্ড্রয়েড হেল্প চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করেননি তিনারা অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।
The video brought to you by Mick2, and for this video I'm going to show you my top 10 apps for the month of January 2017. So let's get to it. First on the list is those. We all know that data is one of the biggest power drains. If you keep your data on all day, your phone will run out of battery due to the consistent data usage by your apps. That is when those comes in. When your screen is off, those will prevent apps from sending and receiving data without disabling your Wi-Fi or data. It adds more hours of standby time and makes a significant difference to the battery life. Apps can resume normal activity when the screen is on. The next app is Clipboard Actions. With Clipboard Actions, you can create actions based on copied text and show them in a status bar as notifications or in a nice list in the app. This allows you to share images and video in just one click in a nice material design list. The next app is 360 Weather. It's a free weather application. It provides a real-time weather reminders and accurate weather forecasts. You can learn current weather conditions within 2 hours and an overview of 10 days forecast. This app is supported by over 3 million weather stations. Display real-time location weather, add up to 10 cities, and easy to switch the location by sliding the screen. It has such a nice and beautiful attractive weather animations that will surely brighten your day. Next up on the list is Cam Scanner. It helps you scan, store, sync, and collaborate on various content across smartphones, tablets, and computers. With Cam Scanner, you can use your phone camera to scan receipt, note, invoice, whiteboard discussions, business cards, certificates, etc. It can smart crop and auto enhance, making text and graphics look clearer and sharper. By entering any keyword, you will find a list of documents with a word in their title, note, or images. With the optical character recognition, you can extract text inside a single page for further editing and sharing. It allows easy sharing of documents in PDF and JPEG format with other via social media, email attachment, or sending the document link. Next app is AppLock. AppLock can lock Facebook, WhatsApp, Gmail, settings, incoming calls, and any app you choose. It prevents unauthorized access and guard privacy, ensuring security. AppLock can also hide pictures and video. Hidden pictures and video are vanished from the gallery and only visible in the photo and video vault, protecting private memories easily. AppLock has random keyword and invisible pattern lock. No more worries people may pick the password or pattern. Next app is Dumpster. It works just like a recycling bin on Windows and Mac desktop computer. Dumpster's recovery ability is perfectly complemented by a cloud backup too, completely eliminating the need to constantly back up your data. Dumpster gives you the ability to recover accidentally deleted content, including images, video, audios, PDF, zip, MP3, MP4, and many more. Next app is Tippet, an old word for wallpaper. It's first of its kind. It automatically generates high quality backgrounds. You can either select a random wallpaper or let the app generate one for you, hourly or daily. Wallpapers are created according to your device screen resolution, making them the highest possible quality. No images are downloaded from the internet. Everything is rapidly generated in your device. Images fit the screen perfectly and even create a beautiful parallax effect, making the wallpaper even more pleasant. Next we have Flexi. It is the most powerful, customizable way to type and officially the fastest keyboard in the world. Flexi is the only keyboard that allows you to find and send gifts and customize your keyboard with powerful extension and beautiful themes. Use Flexi extension to customize your keyboard with incredible powerful features. Have more fun with the only keyboard with gifts supported. Navigate apps right from your keyboard with launchers, copy paste, control your cursor, and more with the editor. Or customize Flexi with easy access normal roll, quick keyboard shortcut, or a fun rainbow pop effect when you type. Flexi gives you 3 slots free. You can mix and match and try all the 7. Next up is Opera VPN. This blocks ad trackers and lets you change your virtual location. You can unlock more content and access your favorite websites and apps from anywhere completely free. With Opera VPN, you get one of the fastest, most reliable VPN services, Location Changer, to allow you to access content that is normally blocked in your region. You also have the ability to determine Wi-Fi network security level as well as connection encryption and protection from threats. It also has a built-in ad tracker blocker to stop advertisers from following you around the web. My last and final app is MicroDroid. This is a powerful task automation and configuration app that focuses heavily on usability with a simple UI and logical step-by-step process. You can turn on your Wi-Fi connection when you launch a particular app and off when you close it. Auto-respond to a specific SMS by sending your current location. Toggle the power to tell you the time without taking your phone out of your pocket. Use NFC tag to configure the device, to turn on Bluetooth, set volume, and much more. Okay guys, so this is my top apps for the month of January. So if you do like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.